These are instructions on how to install and connect to Complay. On your disk, you should have a launch application that we can go ahead and execute. Install Complay 4.0. Once the installer is launched, we can click Next. We'll have a username and company name, as well as a serial number. Serial number is going to be 485 453, and then a hyphen with your work order number. I'll have this set to anyone that uses the computer. Click Next. Confirm the information. That's going to be the destination where it will install to. And I'll only install Complay 4.0. It will finish installing, then it will launch. If we get this error, that means that we'll have to enable it in compatibility mode and run it as administrator. Do that by going to Properties, Compatibility, run it for XP Service Package 3, then run the program as an administrator. Apply it. Let's go ahead and try it again. So we're going to create a new display. To check that we're in range of our IP address, go to Command Prompt, issue a ping command. We have a reply back, so we'll attempt to create the display. You have the option of creating a telephone modem connection, or if you have RF modem or serial cable connected, you can use the serial connection. And in this case, we're going to use the IP address. You could have multiple IDs. In most cases, your ID will be set to 1. We can begin and update the search. Once this process is completed, we can finish it. In this case, we will not add another display. We'll select the one that was just created. Click OK. Use a Complay 3 file. Now you'll be able to create a play file. And transmit to the display.